Hey, it's Josh from Green Diamond Equipment in Halifax again today. I just want to talk to you about removing your 260B backhoe on your 1023E or 1025R. So before removing your backhoe, you want to ensure that your parking brake is on. Once you've engaged the parking brake, you want to ensure that the gear shift is in the neutral position. Next, you want to make sure that your swing lock pin is in place. So once you're ready to actually remove the backhoe, you want to turn your tractor on and have it in the low idle position. And then next we're going to actually take these stabilizers and lower them down to the ground. So right now they're locked in place with two locks. So in order to unlock them, we'll push this lever back towards the seat to relieve the pressure, open this up, and then pull back towards you. Just till it's touching the ground, and we're going to do the same on the other side. So next you want to make sure that the boom is vertical. Right now it's locked in place. So in order to unlock it, we'll come here with our lever, push it back towards the seat, lift this lock out of place, and we want to make sure that the bucket is flat on the ground. So we're just going to lower the boom, and I'm going to adjust the bucket with the other lever until it's touching the ground. So next we're going to actually take the pressure of the backhoe off of the frame of the machine. So we're going to use this boomstick again, and I'm going to push it forward just to take the pressure off. So next we have two pins that are securing the backhoe to the frame of the machine. We got one on this side and one on the other side, so we're going to go ahead and remove those now. Lay that there. And remove this one as well. And lay that on the frame. So now with the two pins removed from the subframe, we'll be able to use the stabilizer arms to actually lift the backhoe off of the frame of the machine. So I try to do it at even increments, try and keep it as even as possible. I believe we're clear of the frame of the machine now. So next, now that we have the backhoe actually off of the frame of the machine, I'm going to disengage my park brake. I'm going to put it in gear, and I'm going to move forward about 8 inches. Just until we're clear. So next we're going to lower the machine down to the ground using the stabilizer arms, and we're going to make it so that this boom lock actually engages to keep everything together. So I just gently lower the machine down. Okay, now the machine is completely sitting on the ground, and I should be able to use the boom stick here to completely lock it in place. So once the boom lock is in place, we'll go ahead and raise the stabilizers so they lock in place as well. So we'll do this. And now they've both automatically locked. So now that the backhoe is on the ground and your boom, your stabilizers, everything is back into position, we want to go ahead and shut the machine off. So we've turned that off now, and we're going to go ahead and relieve the pressure. And the way we do that is we take the loader stick here and we just kind of wiggle it around until all the pressure is relieved in the system. All right, so next we're getting ready to unhook the hydraulics from the machine and the backhoe. First, it's a good practice to have safety equipment. I like to wear safety glasses while I'm doing this, and I also like to wear gloves. There will be a little bit of drip from the hydraulic fluid coming out when we disconnect this, so it keeps it nice and clean. All right, so next we're going to actually disconnect the hydraulic lines. So we'll go ahead and disconnect this one first. Comes off nice and easy. There's a little bit of drip there. Don't worry about that. We'll do this one as well. That comes off. And next, we're going to hook the hydraulic lines for each piece, the tractor and the backhoe, together to keep the dirt out of the lines. There we go. All right, the last step, the backhoe is now completely off the machine. So we just have to start it up and we'll drive away. So that's how we remove the backhoe off the 1025 or 1023. We really appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll see you next time.